I crack myself up, bruh. Oh my gosh. What's good, y'all? It's Jack and I'm back at it again with another video. I hope y'all are having a fantastic day. Let's get on into the subject of today's video. This is a little impromptu because I got some packages in the mail and I was just really excited and wanted to show y'all. But first, let's get into the nail cam. So like I told y'all, I have been doing my own nails and it's been really fun. Every single time I'm getting better and better at them. So it's been fun just to see myself evolve with the art. And that kind of leads us into today's video. So I have a little haul or whatever of some nail supplies. Now, one thing I did return back to Amazon because it just wasn't cutting it for me. It was not giving what y'all said it was supposed to give. So I returned her back to Amazon. I'll pop it on the screen right here. Yeah. The vision was for me to have like a bunch of like nudish, brownish gel colors. So that way I could like swap them in and out, use them with a bunch of different designs and whatnot. But that gel polish was just not doing it for me. So I sent her back to Amazon. And as for what I kept from Amazon, let's get into it. I got this Polygel Kit from Mccart. It's usually the brand that I see in most of the tutorials that I see online. So this nail kit that I got, of course, will leave a link down below in the description along with everything else that I show y'all today, because if I'm winning, y'all need to win too, period. And the nail kit is like right here. Like I said, I've been using it. It did come with a kit of dual forms. High key, I have a lot of dual forms, so I don't know if I'll be using these. Probably not, because I have a lot and I don't even really be using dual forms like that anymore. It came with a little polygel brush, a little spatula on one side, brush on the other for your polygel, and then it came with a nail file. It also came with your top coat and base coat. I have been using the base coat as slip solution. This kit did not come with slip solution. I still have some from past polygel kits, but that's one thing that I didn't even think of when buying this kit. Like, luckily I had some, but I'm like, dang, not every kit comes with slip solution. Like, what is a new person supposed to use? You know what I mean? So yeah, it does not come with slip solution, so keep that in mind if you don't have any. But I've been trying this thing out, which I originally saw on Femi Beauty's page. So if you want to get into polygel nails, definitely check her out. She has fantastic tutorials. Sometimes she uses base gel as like a slip solution, and y'all, tell me why that hit different. Okay, it hit different. I don't think I'm ever going to use regular slip solution ever again for my polygel. It's a base coat gel for me. Came with clear, bright white, natural pink, light pink, dark pink, and misty rose. I'm high-key about to order another kit, even though I don't need another kit, but I want like more like nudie colors. These are like pinky nudes. I need like a nude that's gonna match like my nail bed color, if you know what I mean. But the clear is really clear. It's really nice. The white is also really nice. 10 out of 10 recommend that kit. Just know you're not getting everything that you need. I did get a little kit off of Amazon as well, honey, of like e-file tips. And if you don't know what an e-file is, basically it is like the electronic nail file that nail techs use and whatnot. So I just got a kit of a bunch of tips. Mccart has their own, but they was kind of pricey, hun. So the kit I got came with a bunch of little tips. Moving on to the packages that I got today, and I didn't really know I was going to film this video, but I was like, I need a video for this coming weekend to upload, and I just got these nail packages. So I got them on this like cute little gold tray that I just got. Anyway, so this stuff, super cheap, came from AliExpress. So I am still waiting on a few things from AliExpress, but if you know anything about AliExpress, you're finna be waiting half a year, hun, so don't hold your breath. But the first thing I got was this little case full of little nail decorations. I do have them on my nails right now. I'll pop up something on the screen so y'all can see them in depth, but they're just little metal like stars and moons and stuff like that. Gold, of course. Super cute. Love these. So I've never used like nail plates before. And then the little stampy thing is soft and squishy. It's squishy. Anyways, that's beside the point, Jack. That's not what we're talking about today, Jack. So the nail plates that I got, I will once again put the links down below if I can. AliExpress is real weird about links, but we got some designer nail plates. Like, Who nails ain't finna be popping with these? We got Nike, we got Kappa, we got Adidas, all types of stuff. Okay, we got Supreme. Let's see, this one has like a bunch of different Louis Vuitton logos and then Louis Vuitton prints, which are VQ. Here's a little, if y'all can see all the different prints and logos. And then this next one has a bunch of designer prints as well. This next one has some Louis, some Gucci, some Chanel, some Dior, some Prada, we even got some Calvin Klein on here if you wanted it. Like, yes, my nails finna be Poppington. Y'all not gonna be able to tell me I'm not a real nail tech. Y'all just not. Sorry. You can try, but I won't listen. This one package came with a bunch of stuff. Like, it was like literally like all this stuff. Star glue on them. But this stuff from China, like, I don't know what star glue is. I ain't never heard of that. All the writing on the bottles is in Chinese. I was like, I don't remember getting these. But then I forgot, I did get like a few nail foil things. And they just look like this in the packaging. I haven't taken these out yet. I don't remember what prints I got. So it is what it is. But I'm starting to think that since I got 3 of the little glue bottles, that each one came with one of these. So that's pretty cool because I thought I was just buying the nail foils. So they came with nail foil glue apparently. And then I got me some little nail art design brushes. So I got a bunch of nail stickers. We got flowers, some foliage going on. It's cute. White florals, those are cute and like trendy looking. Line drawings, like some faces with like gold detailing, those are cute. Then next we got little moons and stars. This is in white. And then I have more line drawings. These are faces and like foliage and stuff. Watercolor stickers, those could be cute. They are more line drawings, more ladies in like watercolor. I don't know, I got more watercolor stickers. Flower petals. But these are just like little angels and cherubs and stuff. We got more line drawings that's different from the other line drawings apparently. And last but not least, we have another little pack of like foliage that is like trendy looking, like they got little colorful blobs and whatnot. So yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all next Sunday with the next upload. Long story short, I am ridiculous. I just got a few more packages in the mail delivered to my doorstep. I'm gonna show you real quick, so that way I can put it all away and finally be done with this video, because as you can tell, this is a few days later. Oh, hi baby. Oh, it's my baby. Give him some ASMR. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, so the first few things that I got from AliExpress were just more little gold charms, similar to the ones that I already have on my nails, similar to the ones that I got from Amazon in the previous clips. So I just have some little gold hearts. And then very similar to the gold nail charms that I showed in the previous clips, I have a little container of like moons and stars and triangles. I don't know why I'm showing you, because you probably cannot see. But anyways, very similar to what I already have on my nails. But so we have those. Then I also got another stamper. And this one is super cute. It has like little diamonds on the middle, and then it has like a clear stamper side and a opaque stamper side. And then what came with this stamper was and then it also came with, you could use this as a scraper card as well, but it also came with a little plastic pattern plate. There you go, you can see the pattern right there. I got a little rubber tool, and then I got a little cuticle pusher, and then I got, what did I get? I got 4 packs of little like old English font letters. If you don't know, I love old English font. But I got 2 packs of the lowercase, yeah, and then 2 packs of the uppercase. Let me open up one to show you real quick. Zeke, what you doing? Oh. Pack came with 5 different, I'm confused. All right, I might be tripping. I think I got 4 of the same pack, but each pack came with capital and lowercase. Colors that came in each pack were white, silver, black, and gold. I can't wait to use these in some designs. Oh, that's not silver, that's hollow. Oh, even better, because I probably would not use silver, but if it's hollow, I will use it. And that's literally hollow too, like the rainbow shift and all. Then from Amazon, I got more nail drill bits. Using the e-file on my cuticles is like, I love it. Like, it's so satisfying. But I be low-key demolishing my cuticles sometimes, like if I nick it or whatever. So I got some safety bits so that way it's rounded, so that way you won't demolish your cuticles. The set came with 3. I got gold, as you can tell. And last but not least, I got another Mccart Polygel Kit. This one came in a cooler box, so it's like thick and big. That's what she said. Yeah, I probably should have got this kit to begin with. More dual forms, nail forms, just like paper sticky nail forms. Came with the same nail file and little like brush and scraper tool, base coat and top coat that the other kit came with. It's looking like y'all need to get this kit versus the first kit that I showed y'all. A good sized bottle of slip solution, and then it came with 6 bottles of polygel. I'll pop the picture up on the screen because I'm sure you probably will not be able to see it. This kit just came with a bunch of nudes, which is going to be really fun to play with. Here are the rest of the colors. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to go ahead and like it, go ahead and leave a comment down below if you're into nail art. Also, I need some ideas on future nail art designs, so if you have any ideas, definitely leave those down below as well. Follow me on all my social medias and follow Zeke on his social media as well. I think that is all for this outro. Okay, so this time for real, see y'all next Sunday.